would like to call Abhinay Kumar. Give big hands for Abhinay Kumar. Come and talk about this topic, Abhinay.
First of all, I would like to give thanks who has given me this golden chance to say something in today's podium class. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, all my dear classmates.
Good morning.
Today I am going to tell you about electromagnet. Are you interested?
Yeah.
The term of magnetism is defined as propagation of magnetic field free current in a conductor. In 1820, Danish scientist Horst Christian Oersted discovered a magnetic compass. When he on the switch, the flowing of current is started. So the electromagnet is works properly. When he switched off, the current flowing is stopped. So for the electromagnet does not work. Electromagnet regularly permanent as because the electromagnet is always used because it have wire it wants to complete circuit. Thanks for listening carefully.